2006 Hummer H3. You can see it's been riding so low, those strikeout bumpers are hammered. That right there is hurting the ride. It's riding bottomed out, constantly riding on that cushion. That's got to give you one crappy ride. Well, we're going to put the MAXXCams in so that the suspension can function. We'll have an air gap getting the load off that bumper and softening that ride. You can see the adjustment here is virtually all used up. Cranking on this bolt, pulling this lever down in the frame is going to have very little to do with increasing the ride height. We're going to show you how this self-unloading torsion bar system works. That's the adjustment bolt. You can see it's virtually all the way. Now that we've got it unloaded, we're going to raise the bar up a bit. Go ahead. Okay. There you go. It's off.